Next up, Bal Ganesh skit. Let's get ready to know about Bal Ganesh in the form of a skit by the children of classes 1 and 2. They deserve a great round of applause.
महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Our story begins at the highest peak of the Himalayan range, Mount Kailash. Here lives Ganesh's father, Lord Shiv Shankar, and his mother, Parvati, along with Lord Shiva's most trusted companions, Nandi and his formidable army. And here begins the story of our darling little Bal Ganesh.
Now, let us see how Bal Ganesh got his elephant head.
One day, Mother Parvati summoned Nandi, Lord Shiva's most trusted companion, and said to him,
Nandi, I'm just going into the palace to bathe. Do not let anyone into the palace until I give you further instructions.
As you wish, Mother. Greetings, Bholenath.
Let me pass, Nandi. I need to enter the palace.
Forgive me, my lord, but Mother Parvati has forbidden me from allowing anyone into the palace.
Don't be foolish. That instruction is for other people. You know that I am her lawful husband. Let me pass. Parvati?
How did you manage to enter? Did Nandi stop you?
My dear, he is my trusted devotee. He wouldn't have the courage to try and stop me.
But I had told him to stand guard outside. He should not have disobeyed my instructions in this manner, my lord.
But Parvati, I am your husband. What's the point in stopping me?
What you're saying is right, my lord. But for Nandi to disregard my orders so blatantly is unacceptable.
Don't be angry, my dear. You must forgive him. You know he's a little dull in the head.
No. What Nandi has done is not right. But what could he have done anyway? He loves his master. He wouldn't dare try and stop him entering his own house. I need someone who's intelligent, brave and strong and will obey my orders without exception. I shall have to create this person myself.
Cautious.
Oh.
He could be hiding anywhere.
Yes, you're right.
Keep a straight watch out for him. He will pop out of nowhere all of a sudden. No way. Are you all right?
Come, come, come.
शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम। अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम।
Dear Ganesh.
What is it, Mother?
Listen, my son. It's time for my bath and I'm going inside to bathe. I want you to stand by the door and until I give you instructions, you must not let anyone enter.
As you wish, Mother. I shall not let anyone enter the house. You can have your bath in peace. Forgive me, my lord, but I cannot allow you to enter.
My dear boy, who are you, by the way? And why do you prevent me from entering the palace?
I am Gauri's son, Ganesh. And I am following my mother's strict orders. She has told me that unless she tells me, I am not to allow anyone to enter the house.
Gauri's son? Then those instructions are not applicable for me. Because I am Gauri's husband, Shiv Shankar.
Huh?
Now step aside and let me pass.
Certainly not. Unless I receive orders from my mother, I cannot let anyone pass through.
Don't be adamant, my dear boy. Move out of the way.
That is not possible.
Look, you have no idea how angry I can get. Move out of the way, or the consequences won't be good.
No matter what the consequences. You see, the sun may rise in the west, the moon may change its direction, but I will follow my dharma and not move from here.
Foolish boy!
has killed my beloved son.
With anger, you took the life of your own son, Bholenath. Now you shall have to comply with Parvati's demands and bring the young Ganesh back to life at once. If not, the fire of her anger will destroy the entire universe.
Actually, Parvati's persistence is not without good reason.
In anger, you have committed a very improper deed, and this is the only way to make up for it, Bholenath.
You must abandon your ego and concede to the wish of Goddess Parvati, Bholenath.
That is not possible. The head that has been once separated from the body by my weapon cannot be joined back to the body again.
Then there is only one way out. You will have to find the head of another child that has not been struck by your weapon and attach it to the body of Bal Ganesh. Do not waste any more time thinking about it. Give the orders to your men at once.
Go. Go and bring back the head of another child whose face points towards the north and whose mother is sleeping with her back towards him. Now leave.
As you command, my lord.
Do not waste time. If we delay any further, he will never come back to life.
It will be done. Let's go.
You silly fools! What is this you have brought?
My lord, as per the instructions you gave us, this is the only head of a child we could find. That is why we brought it along with us.
An elephant head?
We do not have the time for any more discussion. Attach this head to the body of the child and bring him back to life.
Mother!
Ganesh! I thought I'd lost you forever.
This is how our Ganesha got his elephant head. Now let us see how Ganesh festival is celebrated in India.
ज्वाला सी चलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे, डर भी उससे डरा रे जिसकी रखवाली यारे, करता साया तेरा देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेश। देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेश। लंबोदर तू विनायका तू अल्लोणेश्वर मोरया, विघ्नेश्वर तू एक दंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया। लंबोदर तू विनायका तू अल्लोणेश्वर मोरया, विघ्नेश्वर तू एक दंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया। वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू
off. That was a patriotic one.